Let's see a problem of first order of gaseous phase. The following data were obtained during the first order thermal decomposition of N2O5 at constant value. The reaction is 2N2O5 gives 2N2O4 and O2. He given this table. Calculate the rate constant. See, he is asking to calculate rate constant. He given this table and this reaction, and he told that the reaction is first order reaction. See what he given in this table. This is time and this is total pressure. See, at time t equal to 0, he given total pressure at 0.5 atmosphere, and at time t equal to 100 seconds, he given time in second. At time t equal to 100 seconds, total pressure he given as 0.512 atmosphere. From this data we have to calculate rate constant. See how to find. You know that for first order reaction K equal to 2.303 by T into log of R naught by R. Since here R naught is you know already this one. Here R naught is concentration of the initial concentration of the reactant R, and R is the concentration of the reactant R after some time T. Since in this problem reaction is gaseous reaction and concentration is measured with respect to pressure, so we will express this concentration in terms of pressure, that is Pi by Pa. See, Pi means initial pressure of the reactant N2O5 and Pa is the pressure of the reactant N2O5 after some time T. See, to find value of K in this equation you know T, that is 100 seconds. Now you have to know what is the initial pressure of N2O5 and pressure of N2O5 after 100 seconds. See what he given. He given initial total pressure. See, this initial total pressure will be initial pressure of N2O5 at the beginning of the reaction, because at the beginning of the reaction pressure will be with respect to N2O5 only. So initial pressure. So this total pressure will be pressure with respect to N2O5 only. So this is the initial pressure. Then after some time, that 100 seconds, he given pressure as 0.512, but this is total pressure he given. Total pressure means after some time, actually in reaction, as reaction goes, this N2O5 will decompose into N2O4 and O2. See, pressure of this N2O5 will decreases and pressure of all N2O4 and O2 will increases. See, after 100 seconds there will be N2O5 and N2O4 and O2, all three gases, and he given this 0.512 sum of all three gases pressures, sum of pressures of all three gases N2O5. But in this problem we required pressure with respect to N2O5, that is partial pressure of N2O5 only we required. To find that, let's see how I will find. Take this reaction, that is 2N2O5 gives 2N2O4 and O2 gases. You know that at time t equal to 0, total pressure will be pressure with respect to N2O5 only, since at the beginning of the reaction there will be no products, so pressure with respect to those products will be 0 atmosphere, that is partial pressure of those products will be 0 atmosphere. See, pressure with respect to N2O5 is partial pressure of N2O5. Pressure with respect to O2 is partial pressure of O2. Pressure with respect to N2O5 is partial pressure of N2O5. Total pressure means sum of all these products and reactant is total pressure. Now you got what is meaning of partial pressure and total pressure. See, at the beginning this total pressure will be with correspond to reactant N2O5 only, so pressure of N2O5 at the beginning is 0.5 atmosphere. After some time t, at time t equal to 100 second. Suppose you don't know how much pressure of N2O5 is decreased. Let's say 2x amount of pressure of N2O5 is decreased. Why 2x? Because two molecules are here, so 2x amount of pressure of N2O5 decreased. So correspondingly there will be 2x amount of pressure of N2O4 will be increased. Why 2x? Since two molecules are here. And x amount of pressure of O2 will be increased. Why x? Only one molecule is here. See, this is the pressure of N2O5 after 100 seconds, that is 0.5 minus 2x, and 2x is the pressure, 2x is the pressure of N2O4 and x is the pressure of O2 after 100 seconds. In this equation what we required? We required this initial pressure, that is 0.5 atmosphere, and 0.5 minus 2x atmosphere, that is initial pressure of N2O5 and pressure of N2O5 after 100 seconds. This Phi by Pa. See here, you don't know the value of x. So for that, what you do now, he given total pressure, that is after at 100 seconds he given total pressure. Total pressure is sum of all these pressure. These sum of all these pressure he given. So at t equal to 100 second, total pressure equal to 0.5 minus 2x plus 2x plus x. So he given total pressure as 0.512. So 0.512 equal to 2x will get cancelled. So 0.5 plus x. So x equal to 0.512 minus 0.5, that equal to 0.012. Now you got x value as 0.012. So substitute in this to get pressure of N2O5 after 100 seconds. So P of N2O5 equal to 0.5 minus 2x, that equal to 0.5 minus 2 into x is 0.012. So simplify this one. 2 into 0.012 is 0.024. So 0.5 minus 0.024 is 0.476 atmosphere. So pressure of this N2O5 after 100 seconds is 0.476 atmosphere. Now you got PA and PI, so you can easily find out value of K. Substitute in this equation. 2.303 by 100 second, time is 100 second. Log of PI is the initial pressure is 0.5 atmosphere, and PA, that is pressure after 100 second is 0.476. So when you simplify this equation, you will get value of K as 4.98 into 10 to the power minus 4 per second. Why unit is per second? Since we given time in second, so unit of K will be per second. That's it, this problem. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video, and spread worldwide to help others.